Class 5 Boatworks started as an idea of when we started working with plastic, with life water, building wastewater treatment tanks, and we thought the plastic would be a great solution for boats. And we came up with a really durable product that allowed us to bounce off of rocks, allowed us to have something that was quieter, had something that was smoother on the water than anything else out on the market. We found it as a solution to a lot of the common problems that we found with aluminum boats and fiberglass, is just durability.
So what we do is we build all inboard jets, so we're eliminating an engine that is hanging off the back of the boat. This thing will ride comfortably with weight and 3 inches of water. The way the boat is also designed, being fully welded together, when the material takes an impact, it actually absorbs the impact and it disperses it throughout the whole boat. It just makes a very, very durable, very robust boat that can take and withstand a lot of impacts that you'd see on the river. These boats will cruise at 30 miles an hour and only burn 6 gallons an hour of fuel with weight in it. Do you have an idea that you would want to see built? Everything is fully customizable. We can build and manufacture anything that you can dream of. We have engineers on staff. We can actually build a boat virtually to any shape and size that you want, and then actually create it in real life. Whatever your imagination is, we can create it. To tell you the truth, you just got to get you in the driver's seat of one and you'll be sold. You put a hole in this hole, you damage this hole, just bring it back to us, tell us the stories and the pictures, and we'll fix it.
We say, what do you want? How do you like your boat? Our desire is to make you happy as a customer, to give you that boat of your dream. When Class 5 Boatworks as a company started, it started as more than a boat building company, something greater than that. So when someone buys a boat, they get more than a boat, more than something that's cool to have, something to run around with. They get a solution to a lot of problems. They get become part of a family of owners running some of the coolest equipment out there.
I can't think of really anything I would change. Just handles good, runs in the water good, tons of power, everything, just perfect.